Welcome to Investing Ramp, where we explore ways to ramp up our investments. In this video, I'm covering another one of my favorite dividend stocks, PAYCHEX, and showing you 4 reasons why it can ramp up your investments too. Feel free to like, share and subscribe. Let's dive in. Some background for you. PAYCHEX provides payroll and human resource services to small and medium-sized businesses since 1886, and has been named to Fortune magazine's list of the world's most admired companies for financial performance and leadership. First thing I like about investing into PAYCHEX is its strong dividend yield. Yes, despite being in professional services business, PAYCHEX has consistently offered an attractive dividend yield to its investors, currently standing at 2.7%. FYI, the dividend is paid every 3 months and the next ex-dividend date is August 9, 2023 if you want to make it, but the key reason why PAYCHEX rocks is this. The double-digit dividend growth. PAYCHEX has boosted its dividend by 12% this past year, juicy, and by 9% on average each of the past 5 years. This kind of growth, I think, is what really sets PAYCHEX apart from many slow dividend growers out there, and makes it a gem for compounding investors. Another advantage is its resilient business. During and after the pandemic, PAYCHEX had no trouble growing its profit, distributing dividends, and keep innovating. Showing resilience in navigating the pandemic gives me confidence as an investor. Remember, there is much more small to medium-sized businesses out there, and as a leading provider of human resources, payroll, and benefit solutions in 2022 Q4 alone, PAYCHEX grew its total revenues by $1.15 billion or by 11.2% on annual basis. Last thing I'll ponder about is its constant innovation. PAYCHEX has been recognized for its commitment to innovation, from PAYCHEX Flex to retroactively identifying employee tax credits and keep tabs on growing payroll needs. By incorporating cutting-edge technologies into its services, PAYCHEX aims to enhance the efficiency, security, and convenience of its offerings. All in all, I think PAYCHEX is worthy dividend stock for any long-term investors seeking stable dividend income and, more importantly, fast compounding dividends. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos, and as always, let the compounding force be with you.